Her cells have been used in over 100,000 scientific publications. They helped develop the polio vaccine, the COVID-19 vaccine, and chemotherapy treatments used today. She never knew. Her family never consented. And while corporations made billions, her family couldn't afford health care. Have you ever heard the story of Henrietta Lacks? Henrietta Lacks was born Loretta Pleasant on August 1st, 1920, in Roanoke, Virginia. She came from a poor family of tobacco farmers. She moved to Baltimore with her husband to raise 5 young children. In 1951, she went to Johns Hopkins Hospital, one of the few medical institutions in the country that opened its doors to African Americans, although it relegated her to a racially segregated ward, seeking treatment for cervical cancer. During her treatments, 2 samples were taken from her cervix without her permission or knowledge, one of healthy tissue and one cancerous. These were given to George Otto Gay, a physician and cancer researcher at Johns Hopkins. What the researchers discovered was extraordinary. Where other cells would die, Mrs. Lacks's cells doubled every 20 to 24 hours. They were, in the language of science, immortal. No human cells had ever behaved this way in a laboratory. Henrietta Lacks died on October 4th, 1951, at just 31 years old. She was buried in an unmarked grave. Her cells lived on and changed the world. HeLa cells were used in several groundbreaking medical discoveries, including the polio vaccine, the HPV vaccine, chemotherapy development, and the COVID-19 vaccine. Over 100,000 publications were written based on research using HeLa cells. And this is why her story matters. While biotechnology companies profited extensively from selling HeLa cells, the Lacks family battled poverty and struggled to pay healthcare bills. The Lacks family was not made aware of the cell line's existence until 1975, more than 20 years after her death. In 2023, the family reached a settlement with Thermo Fisher Scientific, a company that had profited massively from selling products derived from Henrietta's cells. Her body built the foundation of modern medicine. Her family couldn't pay their medical bills. Follow us to uncover more hidden Black stories. Comment if you'd like to hear more about Henrietta Lacks, or the long history of Black bodies being used to advance medicine while Black people were denied access to it. We don't glorify injustice. We reveal truth, so history can't repeat itself.